how you can make over 10,000 US dollars in net profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2024. Now in this short but to the point video, I will show exactly step by step how you can install and add this new method, right, to your strategy to be able to make a lot more money in 2024 with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right, those are the gross net sales on Clickbank, right? So if you click over here, you can see, right, $7,600 in this week, and over here $27,000, and this is brand new account, so $7,630, all using Google Ads, pay-per-click, and Facebook ads. Now why I'm always talking about Google Ads is because of the buyer's intent. Now before we go into it, you can later find me over here on my Instagram. You can follow me, you can DM me, right, send me the message if you don't follow me, and I will personally show what am I doing to have this kind of results. So exactly, if you want to do affiliate marketing with any kind of paid traffic, let me know and I will personally help you with that. Okay, let's go straight back into Clickbank. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the first thing you have to understand is this. All right, let's go here. We have a person here who just made over $35,000 in our group, right? Stay-at-home mom. Now you can be also the same story, even better than her. But just to keep in mind how this is done is this: how to find profitable niches within affiliate marketing space. So one of the secrets I use, if you want to go into low competition space, again, keep in mind, if you go into the hobby space like golf, solar, I don't know, gardening, woodworking, all these niches, approximately you can make $100,000 to $350,000 per year with affiliate marketing, right? So if you're someone who is looking in the low competition golden niches, you can go over here. This is my strategy. Go to www.dummies.com. Why am I sending you this website? Is because you can see what books they are selling, and whatever niche they go in, it's a profitable niche. It's definitely 200% profitable niche. Test it yourself, please. As you watch this video, you can go to dummies.com. Why? Because as you know, in each library across the world, online and or offline libraries, you will find dummies about keto diet, cooking, about, I don't know, how to repair, do it yourself at home, woodworking, right? Golf. Golfers are big spenders. They are rich people, right, who are prepared to pay a lot of money to learn how to play golf, or how to score better, or how to, I don't know. There are so many different niches that you can go into, right? And it's no competition at all. Like manifestation space as well, right, that I'm personally using. So let me show exactly what is important. So audience awareness levels. Any of Clickbank gurus are not telling you this, right? Once you understand this and install this into your ads, you will be able to 10x your conversions. Why? Because you understand we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, and there is the buyer's intent. At any given point at time, when you go on Google, right, on Google or Facebook, you'll see there is 1% of buyers. This will be around 30,000 people who are there to buy the product you're promoting. If you're promoting weight loss supplement, if you're promoting, I don't know, info product on Clickbank, they will buy. Now you have to write ads correctly. You have to have the right images. You have to have creatives. And you have to know how to scale. Now you don't have to do it yourself. You just install this into your system, right? And you can start having results. Now if you go with $10,000 per month, it's only $333 per day. So you only need 3 sales to make let's say over $11,000 per month in net profit. Now what you have to do differently from any guru on Clickbank teaching you is, you have to understand there is the system and strategy and formula when it comes to, for example, on ClickFunnels, building blog or pre-sale page that will take person from the low emotional state to high emotional state to make them to buy, to swipe the credit card and buy your Clickbank offer, right? To watch that VSL webinar. It's a very important strategy. Now again, you need to have someone who help you along the way. Very important distinction, right? You can fast forward your results in affiliate marketing by actually having a mentor, someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call, not buying a course that teaches you outdated method that used to work. Again, if you tried any before, maybe you tried TikTok, maybe YouTube ads, maybe Facebook ads, and it didn't work out for you, you got shut down, and maybe you're wondering, heck, what can I do right now, right? Maybe I'm lost. I don't know who to trust, where to go, what to do. I know how you feel, because I used to be in the same position a few years ago when I tried affiliate marketing and I couldn't make even $5 in affiliate commissions. So if you're watching this video and you do want to get results, remember, if you knew how to make this kind of money, you would have already done it, but you don't. Now, the main reason why you don't know how to do it is because you tried all the other things, but what it's missing, the missing puzzle to your success, is having personal mentors, someone who can show you how things are done, a community where we can help you actually see, okay, this is missing, you have to change the copy, you have to tweak this, we have to add buyers list to your Facebook ads, we have to do retargeting, right? It's easy once you see how it works, the bigger picture, right? Because when you're outside, you don't see how it works. Now, if you're not making $10,000 per month and you are afraid and scared to invest money into yourself, I understand. But think about this from this perspective. If you're not making at least 10,000 euros per month and you're making only, let's say, 2,000 euros or $3,000 per month, you're losing out on $7,000 each month that you're not hiring the mentor, someone who can help you along the way. Right? All the players like LeBron James, Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, all of them had some kind of coach or mentor that helped them succeed. Right? Same thing here. If you want to fast forward yourself, if you want to have that advantage and edge, you can see why most people are failing. Because they don't understand psychology of marketing on a deeper level. Marketing is just messaging. We have message to the market match. You see, I never understood that. And I paid thousands of dollars on different courses, on gimmicks and tricks, and it never worked out. And one day I realized I lost a lot more money because I was stupid to not invest into someone who can personally help me so I have sustainable income in 2024. The key game here is sustainable, not just to make $1,000 in one day and then gone. No, every single month, $10,000 or $30,000 a month in net profits with Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Again, it's not your fault if you failed. All you have to do is have someone who's gonna help you along the way. Alright? So, audience level of intent is very important. Right? When we put ads in front of people, it matters that they get clicks, but from the right clicks, not curiosity clicks. Many people put weird ass images up and wonder it's going to get a sale, and it doesn't. And the reason it doesn't, again, it's not your fault, it's because Clickbank gurus are selling you this BS in the courses where they say put weird images on Facebook and it will get a lot of attention. Yes, but not the right attention. What kind of attention it is from the people who actually are buyers, right? For people who are in the problem state and they want to get into the solution, and you're offering them a high quality solution. All you need to make $10,000 per month is 30 minutes a day or every second day. So let's say 3 hours per week, and someone who's gonna help you along the way, and you're on your way of making $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Alright? So as you watch this video, what you can do next, as you saw my Instagram before, you can connect with me. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Why you can subscribe now? It's easy, and if you do it, you will get way more better tips and insights into what works with affiliate marketing in 2024, so you can install and add this system to your own arsenal of marketing, right? So links are below in the description below. There's my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp number. You can find it, you can click on the link, you can put it by yourself in your own WhatsApp. Text me there, okay? But only if you're serious, if you really want to get results and know more about affiliate marketing going further in 2024.